अरे मन, तुम अंग्रेजी तो बड़ी फर्राटेदार बोलते हो यार। लेकिन मैंने सुना है कि तुम अपने होमवर्क को अक्सर पूरा नहीं करते। क्या यह सच है?
होमवर्क? कैसा होमवर्क? I don't need to do any homework.
क्यों भाई? होमवर्क तो दिया ही जाता है पूरा करने के लिए।
होमवर्क are done by those who stay at home. मैं तो हॉस्टल में रहता हूँ, मैं क्यों होमवर्क करूँगा?
तो सुना दोस्तों इन जनाब का जवाब। जी हाँ दोस्तों, यही कुछ बचपन की अटखेलियां, चुटकियां और शरारतें हमारे जीवन और जेहन में हमेशा के लिए बस जाती हैं। और बात जब छात्र जीवन का हो तो कहना ही क्या।
So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the artists of Sainik School Gopalganj who are going to reveal what all happens in the class of Sainik School Gopalganj.
तालियों की जोरदार गड़गड़ाहट के साथ स्वागत कीजिए हमारे इन कलाकारों का।
All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts, his acts being 7 ages. At first, the infant, mewling and puking in the nurse's arms. And then the whining schoolboy with his satchel and shining morning face, creeping like snail unwillingly to school. And then the lover, sighing like furnace, with a woeful ballad made to his mistress' eyebrow. Then a soldier, full of strange oaths and bearded like the pard, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking a bubble reputation even in the cannon's mouth. Then the justice, in fair round belly, with good cape and lined, with eyes severe, and beard of formal cut, full of wise saws and modern instances. And so he plays his part. The 6th age shifts into the lean and slippered pantaloon, with spectacles on nose and pouch on side, his youthful hose well saved, a world too wide for his shrunk shank, and his big manly voice turning again toward childish treble, pipes and whistles in his sound. Last scene of all that ends this strange, eventful history is second childishness and mere oblivion. Sans teeth, sans eyes, sans taste, sans everything.
Among all these ages, there is one age in our lives which always stands out as the most unforgettable, thrilling, and mischievous prime of our lives. And that is our student life. Let's all scroll back to our beloved classrooms.
Hey guys, sit down fast. Submit the project fast.
What's the problem, man? Coming in morning asking for projects. Just stop.
Hey, you want to be suspended? Huh?
Hey you, sir के चमचे तेरा क्या जाता है? You minding your work?
Hey guys, I'm just doing my work. It's my work. Huh. Submit the project.
अरे यार सबीर,
What's happening to you?
लगा के रखा।
I'm just doing my work.
दुकान धंधा देखे कहाँ तो रहा?
I'm just doing my work. Submit the project.
Sir has only asked you to submit the project. Please submit fast.
Yes guys.
Hi guys. वो WhatsApp मैसेज।
Hey Papu, submit the project fast, please.
Papu,
तेरे को कोई और काम नहीं है कि बच्चे अब तक तो पढ़ाई पाए? Home parents सीटी जाओ just put up यार।
Hey, what else otherwise?
Hey, आज का सोचो तो इम्तिहान प्लीज प्लीज आज का सोचो तो इम्तिहान बोलो ठंडे पसीने चले कोई तो समझाओ इतना तो बदलाओ कौन रास्ते भले आए तो है राह बोले राजा एक रास्ता है मैं दिखलाऊंगा ये क्या हो रहा है? ऐसा सफर है तुम लोग नाच रहे हो?
Principal is coming. I see a man. He's coming here.
Sit down, pass. Good morning, sir.
A very good morning. Good to see you studying seriously.
Yes, sir. Exams are coming next month.
Okay, study well and come out with flying colors. Now tell me, who is this Sadiq?
Yes, sir. That Pappu, sir.
Pappu? What Pappu?
Sir, Sadiq's nickname is Pappu. Yes, sir.
Congratulations, Sadiq. You have cleared your compartment.
Thank you, sir.
Sadiq, are you from Bangladesh?
Yes, sir.
Boys, you all are lucky enough to study not only with the students from different states of India, but also from different countries of the world. And you all must be proud of that. And remember, hard work is the mother of good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Oi, Papu.
What the hell is going on here?
Sir, we are celebrating Pappu's success.
Oh, so Pappu pass ho gaya.
Yes, sir.
Now
At
guys,
last, he succeeded.
now
Yes,
guys,
sir.
listen carefully. All the teachers are busy attending meeting with the principal. So you all must be quiet. Monitor, enjoy it.
Hey guys, keep quiet. Nobody will shout. Masakali, what do you mean at last I succeed? I mean what I mean. Do you know what is Masakali mean? Yes, sir. I'm sure that you don't know anything tougher. Hey guys, Pappu, do you know what is Masakali mean?
Oh guys, come, I tell you.
आज भी है पानी 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 दिन भी सानी 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 आ जाओ तेरी कदम मेरा बात कहानी
What the hell are you doing? Can't you keep quiet for a minute? Now, listen carefully. We have our football match next week. So you all must give your names to the monitor.
Sir, today itself. Hey guys, give a name.
Listen. Today I'm playing with Ballu's team.
Huh? Still ashamed of your last year defeat. Hey, sir is coming. Good morning, boys. Good morning, sir. Sit down. What's going on over there? Yes. Hey, what's going on? Start up.
Annual practice, sir.
Good, because the thing which we are going to discuss today is also related about the stage and arts. Today, we are going to discuss about the Shakespeare's Seven Aces. Shakespeare said that the whole world is stage and we are merely players playing our part. First of all, we play as infants, where we grew up and become a schoolboy. Then later on we become a lover and plays our part as a soldier. But last but not the least is the part to be played of an old man, which is a significant role to play. The main motto of this poem is to tell you about that the whole world is stage, and men may come and men may go, but the stage remains there ever and forever. I hope that you all might have understood it, and you all will come up with flying colors in your annual day programs. So best of luck from my side. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Hey guys, you know, Shakespeare says correctly, we are only actors and our directors are different. At home, our parents tell us, do this, don't do this, go there, don't go there, time to sleep, time to get up. And in school also, our teachers tell us, do this, don't do this. And between the teachers and parents is Sir ke chamcha monitors.
Yes, bro, you are correct. It is our life, but directed by others. See, I don't want to study bio, but my father has booked the seat in MBBS. Now I am forced to study bio.
What serious discussion you have started here? See, जब life out of control, you know what to do.
Out of control, होठों को करके गोल ये होठों को करके गोल सीटे पर जाके बोल Life out of control, होठों को करके गोल सीटे पर जाके बोल
Hey guys, keep going.
Hey boys, do you remember me?
Proud of our school, our ex-cadet, Brigadier Jha. You are most welcome back in your school.
Thanks, boys. Before entering to your class, I was just listening to your discussion. When I was of your age, I also used to do the same. But when I left the school, I realized the importance of the school. Whatever our teachers and parents do for us, it's for our better future only. Just keep faith in your parents and teachers, and you will see all is well. Whatever I am today, it is due to this school and these teachers. And the school days of my life, they were the best days of my life. That's why I have again come back here to see my school and my teachers. And believe me, that if anybody could go back in time, then everybody will come and stop here only. And yes, I can say my school is the best. It's the best place on that. Sainik School Gopalganj is the best. In fact, Sainik Ward is the best. And you must be proud to be the mighty Richmond.
It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We can tell you